Thank you. You may be seated, please. Thank you. Hallelujah. I was waiting for a result. And what is the result? If we say rain will wipe this epidemic out of the earth, it must start from Wuhan, China, where the whole thing started. Right now, it is raining there now. So if you have people there where the coronavirus started, call them. They will tell you it's raining. And this is not supposed to happen in that place at this season, but it is raining. Yes. And what is the purpose? To wipe out this epidemic called coronavirus. Whether you come in contact with the rain or not, that does not matter. You put it on the screen. It's raining in Wahoo. Is it Wahoo? Wahoo, China. Wahoo, China. So it's all over. If there's any story about that epidemic, coronavirus, it's a past tense event. It has become a past tense event. You can still be hearing some story, this, that, but it says the Lord. The Lord said to me, the rain will fall. A shower of rain. You know, it's not normal in Nigeria for the rain to fall at this time. How many communities the rain fell yesterday, even in the night in Nigeria. I'll talk of Peru. Peru, read the history of Peru. It was raining yesterday because the Lord said. If the Lord said, who can say no? So that's it. Thank you. So thank you. We are here today. You know what it means? For you to go there by yourself, you will get ordinary tap water. You understand? And you just leave now and go there by yourself, you get ordinary tap water. If you go there, let's say, if you decided I'm going, without carrying God along, our relationship with the Lord is founded upon His mercy. Our relationship is with the Lord is founded upon what? Upon His mercy. Have mercy upon me. You need mercy. You need mercy. You need mercy. Let this continue go on and on in your heart. On and on in your heart. If you want to receive God's mercy,
Watch your screen. See people vomiting out strange substances.
Listen to me. Continue to ask for God's mercy. If you will not receive the judgment you truly deserve. You know the judgment you truly deserve? Huh? Ask for what? God's mercy. If you do not want to receive the judgment you truly deserve, you know where you are coming from. And you know the nature of job you are doing. You know the relationship you keep. Tell your neighbor, you know where you are coming from. Tell your neighbor. You know the kind of job you are doing. And you know the relationship you keep. So right now, begin to ask for God's mercy. If you do not want to receive the judgment you truly what? What is the judgment you truly deserve? Eh? Eh? It is time right now. Listen to me. Try to understand what I'm saying. Ask your neighbor again. Ask your neighbor. You know where you are coming from. You know the kind of relationship you keep. You know the kind of job you do. So, and you want to come here to ask him, to get the favor, the healing, with the nature of job, the nature of life you live, where you are coming from. So right now, watch your screen. You see?
Look at the screen.
You see what is coming out?
What you can see right now is stones that this man has vomited out. Stones he has vomited out right now. You can see still manifesting.
You see what is coming out? And this is gentleman that has been sitting since morning. He has been with you people since morning. But nothing like this happened. Huh? He has been with you since morning, but why now? Why now? Ask yourself, why now? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Why now? That is the question. This is to tell you that I'm not coming here alone. If I come at my time, they will not come with me. If I come alone, if I come at my own time, they will not come with me. This is why this is 6 p.m. It's too late. But since morning I've been asking permission to come out. They say, no, God's time is better. I should wait for them. They say what? That I should what? Did you wait for them to come here? Ask your neighbor, did you wait? Did you wait for? Ask your neighbor, did you wait for them to come here? Ask your neighbor, did you wait to come here? Did you wait for them? Ask your neighbor, did you wait for them? You come alone. This is why you need mercy. You come on your own. You come alone. You are here alone. This is why I'm saying if you should go there by yourself, you will get ordinary tap water. Are you here for ordinary tap water? No. Are you thirsty? You are thirsty. Our relationship with God is founded upon God's word. Say, have mercy upon me, Son of David. This is what you need. You need mercy of God. As if you do not want to receive the judgment you truly deserve. Tell your neighbor, if you do not want to receive the judgment you truly deserve, ask for mercy of God. Say it again. Say it again, say it again.